Hello everybody, welcome to our channel again today. Uh, Today we want to discuss and want to show the practical way to automatically extract building footprints from open source file, that's OSM data in QGIS, and also how we're going to export this data as a shape file which can be used within QGIS software itself or ArcGIS software or any other GIS software that you are familiar with, and at the end of the day we will have a good class. So let's dive into it. Now this QGIS. Now if you want to do this analysis, if you want to do this mapping, if you want to extract these building footprints, what you need to do, you need you have to go to, once you open your QGIS, go to plugins, then go to manage all plugins, manage and install plugins, sorry, and you are going to look for it's populating. Let it populate. Once it's finished populating, we're going to see some. Okay, we're going to search for quick. That's QuickOSM. This is it. You're going to search for QuickOSM. Now once you have it, you are going to install it. For me, I already installed it, so I installed the plugin already. And once you finish installing, you can close. And you see, once you finish installing, you see the QuickOSM icon here, or you can go to Vector, QuickOSM, and QuickOSM. So let's open it. There's it. Let's see the interface of this QuickOSM. Okay. Now here you have your key. You have presets. It said it's not mandatory, so you may leave this blank. Then you have your query, the key. Under the key, if you scroll down, you have what you want. You have all these queries that you can run. If it's a barrier you want, barrier data you want to extract, is attraction data you want to extract, the basin data, just anything. But we are looking at buildings. Now if you look at this, you see buildings level, buildings apart, but we don't want to differentiate the type of building, just want all the buildings. So what you're going to pick is the total all building. But before that, we need to bring up our OpenStreetMap, and under the XYZ tiles, the browser pane, you see the XYZ tiles, and under it you can see some data. So I am interested in the OpenStreetMap. Just click and drop it in. So normally it comes like this. Then zoom to the area you want. For me, I wanted to zoom to somewhere in Niger Republic. So let me see, where's Niger Republic? Let me just see. All right, let's see it here. Now I'm going to the capital in Niamey. So let me zoom. You have to zoom down to areas, and still depends on how your internet connection, how much you have, how fast is your connection, So let me go back. Let me see. Okay, this is Niamey. Okay, I'm just take this place, zoom out. One thing you have to understand is you don't have to try to download data of a very large space. Just zoom, to a clear resolution where you can see the pictures of the households or the buildings, and then you can. Okay, I think this is fair. Okay, so these are building footprints. All these are building. These are roads, road footprint. These are building footprints. Now, if you say we want this building footprint, we want to, digitize it. Okay, maybe you have a satellite imagery, a high resolution satellite imagery, and you want to now digitize all these building footprints out. You see, it takes a lot of time. So instead of that, we can use this method to extract all the building footprints within our view at the time. So we go back to the vector, QuickOSM. Then what we're going to do is we want our key. We say building. I say building. Okay, we got it there. We say building. Now we say these are a kind of query. In. We want to say, is it in? Or for me, I want just this canvas extent. That means I want the extent of my scene, my screen. So I say canvas extent. Then I click run query. So when you run query, here it's saying downloading data from overpass. Okay. Voila. Now it's done. It's a successful query. One layer has been loaded. So you close it, and these are your building footprints. They are in red. You can change the color if you like from here, but the color is not a problem. You can change the color to what you like. I think I like this color. I say cancel. So these are the building footprints. So let's remove the building footprints and see the underlying OpenStreetMap. Remove the, you see, this place, overlay it back. Let's see. You see, it matches all the buildings around. You were able to get all the buildings around. Now we can say, let's turn off the OpenStreetMap. Let's see the buildings alone. Now, these are the buildings. These are the buildings. We can now say, let's look at the attribute table. Open attributes. It tells you the full ID, OSM ID, OSM type is building, yes. If any of the building have a name, it's gonna put the name here. Yeah, example, Sony Bank. This is the bank. I know this bank. It's Sony Bank. It said ATM, yes. Amenities, bank. You see? So it captures all the facilities within the view of the screen at that point in time. So with this, you can close it. Building, now export it as a shapefile. You go to export feature data. Now formats, you have many formats here, but I'm interested in a shapefile, every shapefile. You can convert to any data type, entry geodatabase, CAD, AutoCAD, DXL, but for this purpose of training, we are changing to every shapefile. So we click shapefile, we say the file name, go to your direction. For me, I want to go to Okay, let me go to USB. Let me go to archives. I will say buildings. Sorry. Save. Now, the encoding, you don't need to change this. This is the CRS, that's the geometry that you want to use. So I leave it at default geometry. If you come down, you see WGS 1984. If it's UTM, it's UTM 31 zone. That area in Niamey in Niger is zone UTM 31 zone 31 knots. So you can save it as WGS 984. You can save it as with UTM, as a UTM data. So I save it as save it as UTM. We say OK. %, saved. Now we can open our GIS. Let me open another one in here. New. Quick one, it's not responding. Okay, to respond. Okay. Now let's go here. Now let's call for our data. Go here, data, connect the folder. We put it in our F folder, and in our what? Archive, I want to believe. No. Sorry, we put it in our F folder. Okay, so let's go to our F folder here now. It's not in our F folder. Okay, let's go like this, add. Connect USB. Okay, and let's go to our USB. No, not E. F. Okay. Well, we save it. Archive. Right. Building shapefile. Open it. All right. We have buildings now. We'll open it. Open the attribute table. Okay, we have it. A polygon, shape. This is the full ID. OSM ID. This is operator, Sonabank. ATM name, ATM amenity, and all that. So there's a shapefile, and these are to extract your full building footprints using QGIS from open source data layer. Thank you for listening, and try and subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and if you have any other questions relating to this tutorial, you can drop it in the comment section below. Thank you very much. See you next time.